In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file or folder to Mega Cloud on mobile. Open the Mega app on your phone and take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a plus icon there. Tap it to bring up your upload options. You'll notice two choices, Upload Files and Upload Folder. These let you send either individual files or entire folders from your device into your Mega Cloud. If you only need to upload a single file, choose Upload Files. Your phone's file picker will open where you can browse your photos, videos, documents, or downloads. Tap the file you want and the upload will start right away. You'll see a progress indicator, and once it finishes, the file will appear in the current Mega folder you're viewing. A quick tip: if you want the file to land in a specific destination inside Mega, first navigate to that folder in the app, then tap the plus icon and upload from there. To upload multiple files at once, start the same way by choosing Upload Files. In the file picker, long press the first item you want. You'll see a blue checkmark appear, indicating selection mode. Now just tap any other files or photos you want to include and they'll get a checkmark too. When you're done selecting, confirm to upload. Mega will queue them and upload each one in the background. If you want to upload a whole folder from your device, tap the plus icon again and pick Upload Folder. You can choose an existing folder on your phone or create a new one right there if your device's file picker allows it. Once you've selected the folder you want, confirm your choice. On some devices, you'll see a Use this folder button at the bottom. Tap that to grant Mega permission to access the folder. After that, tap Upload and Mega will begin uploading the files inside that folder. Depending on the folder size and your connection, this might take a bit of time. While your uploads are running, try to keep a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is usually best for large files. If you need to double-check progress, look for the transfer indicators in the app. And if storage space is tight, consider clearing up space in your Mega account before starting big uploads so everything completes smoothly. That's all there is to it. Open the app, tap the plus icon, choose Upload Files for single or multiple items, or Upload Folder for a complete folder, confirm, and let Mega do the rest.